Hi guys, we've been using DirtGuard for a year and a half now, 2 years, something like that. Last year we started using the DirtGuard. We've been using the inline filter for a long time, and it's by far the best filter we ever used. I'll leave a link here to one of my latest videos showing you exactly how I cleaned it out. But Keith is going to give you a little rundown about the filter and why it's so good.
Well, one of the things that we've talked about in the past is the DirtGuard itself. So let me just kind of walk through that for anybody who's not seen that. So this actually is an inline filter, and it works as a pre-filter. So you use this as a canister on the outside, and it goes through this 20 micron filter. All your water flows through that. That is cleanable, washable, and you can continue to reuse that. It's even back washable. And then from there, it connects into
Thank you. Have a blessed day.
Your inline filter, and then when you use the two, you have both a first stage and now a second stage filter overall. This year we brought out a brand new product, which is actually an adapter that we built to work with this. And this actually screws together. And then inserts inside, and then allows the DirtGuard to actually work on its own. So if you have a water softener or if you have onboard filters whatsoever, you can now actually use this as an outdoor pre-filter and protect those inside filters, make them last longer overall, and use that. This will give you an example of about 1,000 gallons overall looks like. So you would then take this is still usable, take it, clean it off, backwash it, and then stick it back in and continue to use. And this will be the setup that you'd see over here that will be able to do that. So look forward, hopefully you enjoy our products for Clear2o and continue to come back and see us.
And Keith, what's the difference between the typical blue inline filter and the green filter that you guys have?
Sure. I'll give you an example. If you use the blue filter or even the white filter that's out there, they're made from granular carbon. And granular carbon actually works very well. But at the same time, the water flows through relatively quickly, so it doesn't have a lot of time to exchange and take a lot of products out. They're generally anywhere from 25 to 100 micron, depending on which one you buy. Ours, on the other hand, is solid carbon. So in doing so, we actually have a solid carbon block that actually all the water is going to flow through instead. Now this one is rated at 1 micron, so in doing so, it's going to take out all the particulates, it's going to take out all the contaminants, all the chemicals, it's going to remove lead, the VOC, hydrogen sulfide, all of the problems that you're going to have in the water. It's going to give you drinking quality of water, where this is going to give you just water for your coach overall.
We've been using this for a while now, and the selling point to me was the filter, and I can tell the difference with the taste, I can tell the difference with the flow, and it depends on where you're at too. I mean, when we were in Texas, I got to replace them more often. We were out west this past year, and for 6 months I didn't have to replace the filter. Still had clean water, tasty water, and just clean water, which is really, really important. All right, have a good one. Bye.